Grade 11. Unit 3 Project 1. Reading. Page 31. Creating a festival leaflet. Green Festival. Join us at Green Festival, the nation's premier sustainability event, where you will see the best in green. Enjoy more than 125 renowned authors, leaders, and educators, great how-to workshops, cutting-edge films, fun activities for kids, delicious vegetarian cuisine and diverse live music. Shop in our unique marketplace for cotton clothing, fair trade gifts and beautiful kitchen tiles made from renewable resources. Think of Green Festival as a walk through a sustainable community. It begins with finding solutions to help make our lives healthier socially, economically, and environmentally. Individuals along with business and community leaders come together to discuss critical issues that impact upon us at home and abroad. Organizations and businesses showcase programs and products that restore the planet and all that inhabit it. Neighbor-to-neighbor connections are formed, and skills are shared to empower people to create positive change in the world. Recharge your batteries with all the hope, inspiration, and practical ideas you'll find at the one and only Green Festival. For more information about the two non-profit organizations producing Green Festival, visit www.globalechange.org. Lantern Festival 2010. Experience the dazzling Lantern Festival in Chinatown on the 28th of February 2010, which marks the last day of the Chinese New Year season. Bring all the family to celebrate these phenomenal festivities, browse dozens of delicious food stalls and picnic on the grass with your very own candle-lit paper lantern. Celebrate this memorable event amidst hundreds of beautiful feature lanterns specially imported from China and hung throughout the streets. This day will give you the chance to witness a breathtaking performance of 10 acrobats coming straight from China. Get ready to participate in the Lantern Riddle game, which will give you the opportunity to win tons of prizes just by trying to guess the answers to the mysterious riddles stuck on the lanterns. Enjoy the non-stop free entertainment, and you'll definitely want to snack on our delicious dumplings made by the best Chinese chefs. Don't miss the Lantern Festival 2010, a grand opportunity for friends and families to gather and revive the tradition of this remarkable festival.